Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Pureatic V2 Premium Automatic Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features. Cleaning effectiveness. This suction has been rated at 1500 pascals, which is quite impressive for a robot vacuum. The vacuum has an easy time picking up dirt and debris from all types of surfaces. On top of the strong suction, this vacuum comes with 2 spinning side brushes and a simple mop that will clean spills off your floor. The spinning side brushes collect dirt and sweep it to the center of the robot where the suction can act on it. Navigation and control options. This robot comes with sensors that will help it identify and avoid these obstacles. These sensors will also keep it from falling from a high area like the top edge of the staircase. This way, you can send it to clean without any doubt that it will come back safely to the dock. The smartphone app can also be used to manually drive the robot if you want it to clean specific areas of your home. This way, you'll be able to take the reins and manually control the cleaning from the comfort of your couch. You'll also be able to set a cleaning schedule for the robot using this app. Cleaning mode. The path followed in the cleaning will also depend on the cleaning mode chosen. If you download the smartphone app, you will get to choose between 4 cleaning modes. The first mode is spot cleaning, where the robot moves in a spiral fashion to quickly get rid of small messes around the home. The second mode is the edge cleaning, and when chosen, the robot moves along the walls to get any dirt that could have collected there. The third mode is zigzag cleaning, and here, the robot moves systematically from one end of the room to the opposite end, covering the entire floor surface. The last mode is automatic cleaning, and here, the robot moves randomly around the room cleaning any dirt it comes across along the way. Battery performance. The battery on this robot vacuum is strong enough to power the robot for up to 100 minutes. If this battery runs low as the robot cleans, the robot will automatically make way to the charging dock for a charge. It will, however, not recharge and resume the cleaning job after the battery is full, so you'll have to restart the cleaning cycle once again.